What Marine Corps Warfighting Laboratory does is we kind of examine concepts and concepts operations to try and determine if they're viable, how we might realize those capabilities that are necessary to fight like what some people conceive we should fight like in the future. We take pieces of gear, new TTPs, we put them with operating forces and see what good things we can pull from that. We try and figure out how we mitigate the negative aspects of it. Is it useful? Is it something we should pursue further, invest more money as we continue to figure out how to develop the future for it? These are unvetted technologies, so some of them are prototypes, some of them are just past being concept demonstrators. So they haven't been through the rigmarole of normal developmental testing or operational testing. So we try to figure out how to just get them ready enough so we can work them with the live forces and get their opinions on how they might integrate them and use them. So we go through an iteration of limited technology assessments that are conducted by our Science and Technology Division, and then the Experiment Division, we kind of work with them to kind of understand how we might apply these capabilities in a real live event. When you look at the Advanced Warfighting Experiment, what we're trying to do, you see a lot of the themes that we're targeting, that are resident in enhanced active operations have also made their way into Expeditionary Force 21 because we have proven through our experimentation and other venues like wargating that they're viable. Although the infantry battalion will remain the standard unit of deployment, there is a role that we're going to look at pursuing and trying to develop for how company landing teams play into crisis response operations. Additionally, CLTs in different shapes and forms, like a fires experimental landing team based around a high march platoon, is something that's relevant to expeditionary advanced base operations, which is another key theme in Expeditionary Force 21. It's kind of great to see that the things we've looked at in enhanced active operations have proven viable and are continuing on for further development and advancement to kind of shape how we're going to fight in the future.